Health Zone presents excellent beauty uses of vitamin E. Vitamin E is known to help prevent heart disease and strengthen the immune system. This nutrient is also an ingredient found in so many beauty products these days. Why? That's because vitamin E is very good for the skin. A very potent antioxidant, this nutrient can actually help ward off aging signs, hair loss and so many other cosmetic problems. If you are popping a vitamin E capsule in your mouth daily for health, then you have a steady source of a highly effective skin and hair protector and beautifier. Pricking a capsule allows you to have access to the rich oil within, which you may apply topically to deal with an assortment of cosmetic issues as well as to maintain a youthful complexion. The following are some of the most excellent beauty uses of vitamin E. 1. Scar eraser. Whether old or new, the appearance of those pesky scars can be considerably improved by vitamin E. All you have to do is daub some of it on problem spots. Massage for a few minutes to ensure that the oil is absorbed by the skin. Making this a part of your everyday beauty regimen allows you to say goodbye to scars left behind by pimples, cuts and others. 2. Stretch mark remover. Getting pregnant or gaining or losing a lot of weight rapidly can leave you with unflattering stretch marks on your belly, buttocks, thighs and underarms. If you don't have the budget for pricey creams or cosmetic procedures, simply massage vitamin E on your stretch marks. With regular application, those lines will end up less noticeable. 3. Fine line eliminator. Forget those super expensive anti-aging serums on the current market. A simpler and more effective way to reduce the appearance of fine lines as well as wrinkles is by applying vitamin E on your face. Even if you don't seem to have those cosmetic woes yet, it's a good idea to apply vitamin E on your face before hitting the sack. 4. Dry lip moisturizer. Is the cold weather or cold office air leaving your lips dry and chapped? Fret not. There's a more effective way to moisturize and soothe cracked lips than reaching for your favorite lip balm. Applying vitamin E generously. Apply this antioxidant-rich oil on your kisses to make them soft and looking luscious. Vitamin E is also effective against those painful cold sores. 5. Hair strengthener. Vitamin E helps make your mane become healthy. This super nutritious oil helps add sheen to your hair without taking away its volume. The application of vitamin E also helps moisturize and strengthen each strand, keeping at bay split ends and breakage. Antioxidants present are also said to help slow down the graying of your hair. 6. Hair loss stopper. Losing 50 to 100 strands of hair daily is considered normal. If it seems like you're shedding off more, spring into action right away to put a stop to unwanted hair loss. An excellent way to prevent hair loss is by massaging vitamin E on your scalp. Doing this also stimulates hair growth, allowing you to enjoy thicker and more voluminous mane once more. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.